considering all the numbers we got earlier, Target and Kohl's, of course, very strong. These add to a good day of retail numbers, even if Ross Stores wasn't brilliant.
Yeah, being top line is basically the gauge of that. Seems like it was good on both scores. Ross Stores has been, a very strong stock for a while. It is one of the more expensive ones just because people love the off-price story along with TJX. So it makes sense they're backing off on somewhat softer guidance.
I'm just looking at the Urban release.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a strong comp number across their brands.
Yeah.
Anthropologie, Urban especially strong, Free People. This stock hasn't been very loved.
It's off the highs. It's interesting. It's up, on a year-over-year basis, but it had this huge run into the middle or late into last year and came well off of that. So now it is bouncing, and I think my household has contributed to that Urban beat.
The Urban beat?
Yeah.
Sneakers at Urban?
Holiday time, the whole thing, all that teen.
If they're on trend with the Santoli girls, then you know something is right. Yeah. David, how do you navigate this mixed picture, this mixed bag we're getting out of retail?
Well, I think, again, these are a lot of different companies. I think retail is better than I thought it was going to be. I don't follow it as close as I do financials, but boy, I tell you, the comp numbers at 3% and 4%, it's better than the growth in the economy. I mean, and they're walking down the outlook, which sort of gives them some upside at the second half of the year. So, I mean, given where we thought the economy was in November and December versus where we are now, again, that was I think the world came to an end in December, but of course it didn't again. And here, again, these companies are doing well. I'm just surprised that these numbers as good as they are, given all the competition on pricing and all of the different retail opportunities out there on the website and Amazon and all the wannabes that are out there. It's amazing these companies can still grow.
But David, for the retailers, it's all about scale, isn't it? Target, Walmart, Amazon, a couple of others, but in terms of a sort of meaningful turnaround, it's about scale.
Yes, but it's amazing that, again, scale matters, and of course it allows these little guys to rise up. And again, you got Anthropologie, it's $4 billion, $5 billion in revenue. It's not that much in total sales, but if they can get the right niche and get the right products like a Lululemon or something like that, it works. So again, you've got these big guys that are controlling the pricing of a lot of sort of the Me Too products, and you've got these little guys that can come up and create some new products and really make a go at it. So I think it's a healthy environment. It's been competitive. The margins are low, but yet they're making money, and nobody seems to be in any sort of stress. Even Sears seems to be able to survive despite, its early death for, it's supposed to be dead 5 years ago, but it's not. So it's amazing. The capital markets are open. People can borrow money. Companies can borrow money. They can raise debt. So this is just a product of a good capital market and a good economy.